Do you guys wish to get targeted free traffic just like this and to make money just like this? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to rank your articles on first page on Google and get targeted free traffic that you can use for affiliate marketing, for CPA marketing, to build your mailing list, or whatever you want. But it is really important to follow exact steps that I'm going to show you in this video, and that is why you must watch this video very carefully. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing you need to do, you need to go on Google and you need to search for AI PRM extension for Chrome. And you need to click here on this first result. And you need to install this extension on your Google Chrome. As you can see, I already did that. Now, next thing you need to do, you need to go on ChatGPT. And this is how your ChatGPT will look like now. And here you can see they are giving you some really good tools. But in this video, we are actually going to use this tool here, keyword strategy. And here you see I need to type my keywords. So I just say, for example, keto diet. Okay, keto diet, and then press enter. And now this extension will create a table of content for me. As you can see, it is already doing that. Here you can see they are giving me some keyword ideas. They are giving me some title ideas and meta description. Now, titles, as you can see here, are all catchy, and that is important because click-through rate is important on Google. And here you can see they're also giving me meta description. Also, meta description is really important, and later in the video I'm going to show you why meta description is important. Now I'm going to click here on stop generating because this may take a while, and I already did that. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on Google Keyword Planner. And then click here, discover new keywords. And here, as you can see, I have chosen United States. And here I will add my keyword. And here I will click generate, get results. Okay. And then what I need to do, I need to click here on, for example, change. Okay. And here I can see male keto meal plan. That is the keyword that has between 10 and 100 searches per month in United States alone. And here you can see this is actually stable trend. Now what you can often get is when you click here on this change, you can often get trending keywords that sometimes has a 900% increase that month. That is why you should always click here on 3-month change or a year change, okay? And here you can see, like I said, between 10 and 100 people is searching this every month in the United States. So now I need to go back on ChatGPT, and what I need to do, I need to click on one of my previous prompts, okay? And then I need to go back here on my prompt that I just created, and here you can see they already created a prompt for me. So I can simply copy this part, this entire part, Control C, and I will go on Google Documents and I'm going to paste that here. Okay, please ignore, I don't need that, so I'm going to delete this, okay? I want to respond only in language English. Now that is really important because I don't want any words from any other language. So I only wish words an article in English language. That is important. I want you to act as a market research expert, not market research expert, as a keto expert and blogger. So let me just, and blogger. Okay, that speaks and writes fluent English. Like I said, I wish article only on English language. Pretend that you have most accurate and most detailed information about the keyword available. Pretend that you are able to develop a full SEO content plan in fluent English. That is, like I said, important. I will give you the targeted keyword. Okay, that is not my targeted keyword, so I'm going to delete that. And this is my targeted keyword. So let me just find that. So let me just go back on Google Keyword Planner, and I'm actually going to copy this, and I will go back here, and this is my keyword, okay? Keyword male keto diet plan. From this keyword, so let me just fix this, okay? From this keyword, create markdown table. Now I don't need that. From this keyword, I actually don't need any of this because they actually use this to create a table. From this keyword, create full blog post. Okay, full blog post. Okay, full. Okay, actually, I will need to say create entire blog post. Okay, and this is my prompt. But I also need to say, give me the title and the meta description for this post. So I'm going to copy this. And what I need to do now, I need to go back on ChatGPT. I need to paste this and I need to press enter. And now they will actually write me a title idea for this blog post. Here you can see they give me title. And they are also giving me meta description. And that is what I actually asked. I asked them to give me a title and meta description for this post. So I actually need to copy this title. Okay, Control C, go back on Google Documents, and I'm going to paste that here. Okay, and also I need to copy my meta description because I need meta description. And again, I'm going to post that here. So now what I actually need to do, I actually need to copy this, okay? And I need to go on Google and I need to paste that here and press enter. And now what I need to do, here you can see people also ask. And I'm going to open few of these. Okay, and here you can see now they gave me more questions. Now these are the questions that people most often ask related to my main keyword. Okay, so for example, when I copy this question here and when I go back on Google Keyword Planner and when I paste that keyword here and click generate result, here I will see between 10 and 100 people search this keyword every month in United States. Here you can see competition is low, which means we can actually rank for this keyword here on first page on Google. And when I go back here, we can actually rank our article for all of these keywords here because competition is low. So what I need to do, I actually need to go back here on ChatGPT. So let me I already prepared this and I need to copy this and I need to paste that here. Well, actually, let me just go back here and I'm going to copy, let's just say these questions here and I'm going to paste that here. And now I'm going to copy this, go back on ChatGPT and I'm going to paste that here. Here you can see, give me outline for this post that answers these questions here that I found on Google, okay? And press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me outline for the article that answer on these questions here. And it will include these keywords so I can actually rank my article for these keywords here on first page on Google. And as you saw, between 10 and 100 people search this every month on Google. And I can rank at least for 3 or 5 of these keywords on first page on Google, and I will be easily getting between 200, 300, maybe even 500 visits every month. Totally free, targeted visits to my article. Imagine the potential. And when I go back here you can see ChatGPT is still writing this outline. Okay, so next thing I need to do, I need to tell ChatGPT after it finished outline, I need to tell it to write me an entire article. Like I said, I already prepared that, so let me just copy this so we don't waste too much time, okay? And I need to paste that here. You can see, write me an entire blog article for this post. And now press enter, and now ChatGPT will write me an SEO, search engine optimized article that actually answers on these questions here. And I can possibly rank on first page on Google for all of those keywords. And actually stay with me because we still didn't finish optimizing this article. We still need to do some other things to optimize this article to rank on first page on Google. So let's just pause this video until ChatGPT finish writing this entire article. Okay, ChatGPT finished writing this article for me, so now you can publish this article on your blog, on your website, or wherever you want. But for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to publish this article on vocal.media. Why vocal.media? Because vocal.media, unlike medium.com, actually ranks article on first page on Google that contains affiliate links. That is really important. So what you need to do, you need to register for a free account and then click here on create story to create a new story. here we need to add a title. So what I can do, I can simply go back here and I can scroll back here, and here this is my title, okay? And you cannot actually copy and paste titles here on Vocal Media. You need to type the title manually. Okay, I added my title, and now we need to add a subtitle. Now, subtitle is actually our meta description, as you can see here, okay? And again, same thing, you cannot just copy and paste meta description here as a subtitle. Now, why subtitles are important? When we go back here on Google, here you can see this is actually meta description. As you can see here, this is meta description. This is what Google see, and that is why it is important to add meta description that contains your main keyword, because Google will see, okay, your title contains main keyword and your meta description also contains your main keyword. That means this article is definitely about keto meal diet plan, okay? So it will know where to rank your article. That is why it is important to add your meta description. But like I said, on vocal.media, you cannot just copy and paste your meta description. As you can see here, it's not working. You need to add that manually. And here you can see I added my meta description, my subtitle, and now what you need to do, what I actually always suggest is to open your article with eye-catchy image. Here you can see you can add an image, but I suggest to use Unsplash images because those are the royalty-free images, and that is important. So here I can simply type keto for men, for example, and press enter, and here you can see they gave me keto related images for men. So let me just click here on next to find more images. So let me just go back here on previous. So let's just say, for example, I will use, let's just say, for example, this image here, okay? As you can see, they automatically added this image. So now what I need to do, I need to go back here on ChatGPT, and now I actually need to copy this entire article. So let me just copy this, okay? Control C and go back on Vocal Media, and this part you actually can copy and paste, as you can see here. But now we need to optimize this article further. So I will go back here on the top, and actually this is the title. I don't need that, so I will simply delete. And this is the intro, okay? And this here is the first question that I found on Google, and that is actually H. That is a heading, that is H1. That is important to mark this as H1. You need to mark all the titles and subtitles as H1 or H2. So Google should know that some parts of your article are important. And here you can see this is important part of the article that actually answers on one of these questions as we saw here, okay? On one of these questions, which means Google will actually rank my article for this question here because it is important in my article. So let's just go back here, and again, same thing. Now here you can see this is not H1, but this is actually, I will make this bold, and this is H2. Also important, but not that important and as this part here, as this keyword here. You need to say that to Google, okay? And just scroll here. This is also H1. So click here on this H for heading, okay? And this is also heading. So let me just click here on H1, okay? Also heading. And this is, now this is not heading, so I will just make this bold to be an H2, okay? This is important. Now what I would also suggest is to add few more eye-catchy images in your article to make your article more interesting. And what you can do is you can use this article to drive traffic to your blog, to your website, but you can also use it to promote your affiliate product. So what you can do is you can simply go, for example, on Digistore24 Marketplace, and I just search for keto in this case. And here you can see keto related products. And for example, I just say I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. I can go back on Vocal Media, and let's just say, for example, I will add my call to action. For example, I can say something like get your custom custom keto diet plan. Okay, plan. And I can actually go back on Digistore 24. This is my affiliate link. Go back here and I can simply highlight this, click on this little chain, paste my affiliate link, press enter, and that's it. I added my affiliate link. Now this is really, really, really important. If you are going to promote your affiliate product in this article on vocal media, then you must add affiliate disclaimer. You must say that this article contains affiliate link, and if they click on that link and buy that product, you will earn an affiliate commission. That is really, really important to say. Otherwise, if you don't do that, if you don't say that, your article won't be published on vocal media. Now, after you finish everything, so now we optimized our article, we added our affiliate link. All you have to do now is just click here on Save Changes and then click here on Submit for review, and your article will be reviewed in next 24 hours, and if it satisfies the rules, the vocal media rules, it will be published on this website. So this is important tip for you, so please pay close attention. Now the reason why we publish this article on vocal media is because vocal media has big authority on Google, and that means our article will more easily rank on first page on Google for these keywords here, okay? But you also need to help this article to rank on first page on Google. And that means you need to start building backlinks from Facebook, from Twitter, from Pinterest, from related forums, from related blogs, from Tumblr, or wherever you can. Build as many backlinks as you can to this article here, and your article will rank on first page on Google for all of these keywords here. And you will start getting 500, maybe even 1,000 visits every month on your vocal media article. Now imagine how many sales you can make. And if you are thinking, well, 1,000 visits per month is not that much. Well, you can actually, next 2 or 3 months, you can publish literally 100 articles really easy by using ChatGPT. This looks complicated, but actually it's not once you start using it. And you can start getting between 50 and 100,000 visits every month, totally free targeted visits. And trust me guys, you will make at least 100 sales every month. So let me just go back here on Digistore 24. Okay, let me just switch this on US dollars. Okay, USD. And here you can see for this, I can earn $34 per sale. Now, if you make just 100 sales every month, that is $3,400 every month, totally free. And all you have to do is just 2 or 3 months, publish articles, and then the rest of the year, you don't have to do anything. You will still make this $3,000 every month of passive income. That is how powerful ChatGPT actually is, and that is how powerful this strategy is. And that is why you need to use this ChatGPT strategy to rank your articles and to start making money with affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.